What did you think about the Jake Paul versus Tyron Woodley fight?
Well, I'm obviously biased. I thought Tyron won. I had 5 rounds of 3. And again, this is my bias in the way I was seeing it. I thought he was more effective with the striking and he was more aggressive. No, Jake had more volume. But that was the only thing I would give him. And I guess a lot of people just didn't see it that way. They thought he landed significantly more punches. I just didn't think he really did any damage.
It was a split decision.
Split decision, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Were you surprised?
Well, there's the thing. So the thing I said when I went in to fight him, I said we don't really. Maybe he's good, maybe he's not. We really have no idea to this point, And so I knew Tyron was a lot better at boxing than I was, and so I thought, okay, I think there's a good likelihood that Tyron beats him up. But there's the chance that Jake's kind of good at this, and I think that's kind of what played out. Is he's kind of good at it. Even if you saw it the way I saw it, he still was impressive in his showing, and he's obviously put a lot of time into it. So he's not bad. We'll say that much,
But isn't it surprising to you that elite level athlete, combat athlete, lost to somebody who just takes it really seriously, but is nevertheless not elite level?
But I think boxing is a really specific rule set. So we'll speak about Tyron, not myself. Tyron had good striking, but obviously it was his first boxing match ever. And within mixed martial arts, you have the fear of the takedown and the fear of the kick and fear of other things to go along with the punching. And so if you look at Tyron throughout his MMA career, lots of times what set up his punches were like level change fakes at a takedown. They drop, boom, and then something comes over the top, right? Mm-hmm. So there's many more elements to worry about in mixed martial arts, whereas boxing, there's only one. It was his first fight. Yes, I thought Tyron was going to win. I thought this was going to happen. But like I said, it's pretty evident that he's not bad at boxing. He's pretty solid, He gets in there and works hard at it, I guess.
Out of 10 times, how many times do you think Jake wins?
Against Tyron?
Against Tyron. They fight again and again and again, like iterative.
Yeah. So I part of the thing is, okay, so Jake's corner said you need a knockout going into the 8th round, right? So I think they thought maybe they're trying to motivate him, but I don't see it that way, because if they were actually thought that he was winning, why would they encourage him to take a dumb risk when Tyron has clearly his knockout power, right? It's a really stupid coaching philosophy if that's what you're thinking. So you obviously are thinking, hey, this is actually in the balance. It's competitive. And I feel like Tyron thought maybe he was winning and didn't have the urgency necessary. And so I think if there's a chance he turns it up a lot. Man, I would want to watch him again before I have this problem with my personality. Here's my personality, Lex. I have an issue with not being able to give really exact answers. So I hate giving you an answer that I don't feel like is 100% calculated.
Yeah.
So I would like to see them go once more, because I would like to see, hey, can Tyron, if Tyron can turn up the pace and Jay can't handle it, then I think it's an 8-1 or 9-2, right? If it goes the exact same way and maybe Tyron wins a close split decision, I'm saying, it's probably gonna be close every single time. We're probably gonna get a 5-5 type of thing, So it's like, I feel like out of one match, it's not totally indicative of what the future is going to look like.
I feel like Tyron would get a knockout, and then you would still be in the same place, not knowing what to predict.
Yeah.